Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow tracking on Freecash using a PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your PC. Freecash based works on Google Chrome, so I recommend using Chrome. Now go to the Freecash website and log into your account. Before starting any offer, we need to make sure tracking is enabled. At the top of your browser, click the lock icon next to the website address. This opens Settings site. Tap on Settings site and make sure these options are turned on: cookies, pop-ups and redirects, ads and JavaScript. If any of these are blocked, change them to allow. Next, open Chrome Settings, tap on Privacy and Security, then click Cookies. Make sure third-party cookies are allowed. Now check your ad blocker. If you are using an ad blocker extension, turn it off for Freecash. Ad blockers can stop tracking completely. Also, do not use a VPN. VPNs can break tracking and cause offers to not pay. When starting an offer, always check the offer directly from Freecash. Do not refresh the page or open the offer in a new tab. And that's it. That's how you allow tracking on Freecash using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.